Here's another video of a driver that is doing a lane change without signaling, and they just kind of pull in here in front of this vehicle. And you might look at this and go, what's the big deal? But the big deal is once you have this bad habit, it's really hard to get rid of. So always make sure you're communicating your intention, and you want to give this vehicle a little bit more heads up notice to maybe ease off their gas. It's not just being able to pull in front of this vehicle without causing a collision, but it's allowing this vehicle or this driver to readjust their safe following distance. So give people heads up notice, even if you think that you're doing a safe lane change. It's really, really important to communicate your intent. And sometimes students are hesitant to put on their signal as they see a vehicle approaching, and they're thinking, well, I'm not sure if this vehicle is going to let me in, so I want to make sure that there's a safe gap before I signal. I tell them signal anyway. There's two types of drivers. The type of drivers that will cooperate and ease off their gas to make this lane change a little bit easier. And there's the type of driver that is in tunnel vision or doesn't care about your lane change. Either way, by putting that signal on, you'll know what kind of driver they are, or what kind of driver is approaching you in the other lane, and you can make your decision based on that. So long story short, this kind of maneuver here requires communication with other drivers. And if you think this doesn't require a signal, then what requires a signal on the road? Why do we even have signal indicators on vehicles?